Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. It's another one of our test and review days. Today it's the Artemis M11 in 2.2. It'll be put through our normal tests, but being it's a PCP, obviously it's over our longer distance of the 20 plus yards, and we'll be starting off today with the bottle tops. Let's get underway. Okay, we have 3 bottle tops on the right hand side of the board, top to bottom. We're going to go for them. So our first one's a white one. That's a direct hit. Second one down is another white one. Again, another hit. And the third one, I think that's a pass. Well done to the M11. 3 bottle tops knocked out. Our next task for the M11 is the spinners. On the left hand side of the board of the spinners there's different sizes of spinners ranging down to a very small one at the bottom. We're going to come down the left hand side of the board and let's see how this goes. Number 1's good. Number 2 is good. Number 3 is good. The last one, the very small one. Yeah, that's a pass for the M11, who's doing really well. It's test 3 for the Artemis M11, and it's the gallery. That count, it went up. Yeah. And the reset now for the full house. Yes indeed. Another pass for the M11. M11 back in, and it's target shooting. 5 into the centre target. Let's see how he does. Wow. I think you'll have to agree, that's quite an impressive 5 shots there, besides the one that went a bit wayward, and I would put that down to the dummy behind the end of the butt of the gun there. I think that shot really well, did the Artemis M11 there. That's quite a good score. I'm impressed with that. Okay, trim 5, it's the duck hunt, and it's the M11. Here we go. Yeah, another good round by the M11, shoots really well, you've got to give it. Okay, it's the M11, 5 shots over our chronograph, here we go. First shot, 1759. Second shot wasn't ready for us. 173. This of course is a regulated gun. 170, 175, and we're out of pellets, so we'll take a reading there of in the middle of 170 and 175, so we'll take 173 as our reading on that one, and we'll put that through onto the computer later and see what it gives us. Okay, after our findings on the chronograph, we've put the measurements into the calculator. The mass of the pellet which we're using in the M11 is 15.9 grains. It's using the RWS Superfields. it worked out that when we broke it down from metres per second to feet per second, it was 567.5. It calculated down to 11 foot-pounds and 15 joules. So not too bad, not great either, but acceptable, shall we say. I'd love to do these calculations again on another calculator. This is not the one I normally use, so I may look for another calculator. See whether I can find something else that'll do it. And we might get a better one here. So if we put in 15.9 grains, velocity in feet per second was 567.5, calculates down to, well, there you go, that looks a lot better straight away. On this calculator, which includes the decimal point, it was 11.37 feet-pounds, and the energy expressed in joules was 15.42, which I think you'll agree isn't too shabby. Overall, the M11's done really well today, I think, and it's shown itself to be a very capable gun. Accuracy-wise, it's not missed a trick. Really impressed with it. I know it carries quite a heavy price tag for what it is. These are going for around £350 at the moment, the M11s are, but they're not a very heavy gun. The downside to it is I think you're looking at about 100 shots out of a tank with the 2.2 version, probably a little bit less with the 177, I'm guessing. So that's the only downside to it, but let's face it, if you're out in the field, how often is it that you're going to shoot 100 shots off? It's not going to be even 70 shots. On a busy day you'll probably shoot maximum 30 shots, I'm guessing. So that's not really an issue, is it? You know, it's neither here nor there really, is it? So that's nothing to worry about. But overall, I think it's a good gun. I think it's worth the money. Accuracy wise, great. It's light enough to hump around everywhere with you. Yeah, and in the budget section, I mean, you can't fault it. It's a good gun. Definitely recommend one. If you want one of these, have a word with Sandwell Field Sports. They were doing a deal on them. I don't know if they've got any left. I think I may have taken the last one, but by all means give Tony a call at Sandwell Field Sports in West Bromwich, and he'll tell you what they have available. Thank you for watching this review. I've enjoyed doing it. I think that's a really nice gun, the M11, and I'll see you all in the next one when it'll be another review. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.